everyone, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we are learning about flowchart basics with real-time example. If you are new to my channel and you want to learn automation anywhere from the scratch, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. Without further delay, we will take one real-time example, student section assignment board. The requirement is how to find the student section by roll number. So let's take this example and we will learn flowchart in Automation Anywhere. To get more clarity on the requirement, I have already created this bot, student section assignment bot. Let me run this bot and let's see what is exactly the requirement is. So once you run the bot will ask you, please enter a roll number. So let me try with 70 and click OK and you will get a message box. Roll number 70 is under section B. Same way we will try with a lesser roll number. Maybe I can try now 15. So we will give a roll number as 15 and click OK and you will get a value as roll number 15 is under section A. The same bot we will develop step by step using Automation Anywhere flowchart. To develop step by step, let me duplicate this particular window and let's close this and create a new task bot. So let me create as student assignment RPA bot, right? And create and edit. Once the task bot is created, if you see in the right hand side top, we have a flow, list and dual option. So today in this session, we are going to introduce a flow section. So let me click on the flow. And if you see here in the middle, you are getting a start and end. So basically, whatever the activity you want to add it, example, so I will just drag and drop in between start and end. Then it looks like this. And the step is student section assignment bot, right? So let me add like this. And the first criteria is to get a information from the user. What is exactly the roll number, right? To get a information from the user in the runtime, we have an action called prompt. If you click on the prompt action, we have a prompt for value. Drag and drop inside the step. See, it's very easy compared to your list. Just you have to drag and drop inside your flowchart. The step is my square, and inside this square, I'm just dragging and dropping the prompt, right? And the prompt value window caption is student section assignment bot. And the prompt, what message you want to display to the user? Please enter your roll number, right? And we have to store this value, whatever the value the user will give, right? Maybe they will give 30, 40, 60, whatever might be. That value we have to store it in a variable. To store the value in the variable, just click on this create variable, and as part of this standard, whatever we will follow in the variable section, str roll number. I have already explained what is str, why we are taking in this way the variable name, everything in the variable playlist. Please go through variable playlist and get the knowledge about camel case or Pascal case, whatever the cases you want to use it. So now I'm just creating and select and save. Now I have created a prompt for value. Now once after we will get a value from the user, we have to decide is it a section A or section B. Whenever you want to decide a value, you have to go with a condition called if. So let me add a condition if, and in the if condition, we are dealing with the numbers, right? The basically 60, 70, these are numbers. So I will type it as number condition, and enter a source value as str roll number, which we have taken from user. But this is a string variable, right? But your number condition is expecting number type of variable. How we can convert string to number? Very easily, we have to use a inline conversion methodology. So how we can utilize the inline conversion? Before your last dollar symbol in the variable, add a dot to number. This particular function is changing your string variable to number variable. So now we have to add a condition. Maybe we'll take a boundary condition as a 60 if the value whatever user is given, that is less than 60. Okay, if it is less than 60, then we have to show the message box. Let me take a message box like this, drag and drop inside the if condition, right? It's very easy, just drag and drop it. And here in the message box you can write student section assignment bot output, right? And the message is roll number. And what is the roll number? We have a roll number inside str roll number variable. Just I'm adding that roll number, str roll number, and section is whatever the section we want to assign for less than 60 roll number, right? Example, I can take it A, section is A. The value which is under 60, that we are assigning to section A. The same way we have to assign another condition, that is if it is equal and greater than condition, right? Maybe a 60 or more than 60 value. For that we will add another condition in if, that is else if, right? In the else if also we have to add a number condition because we are dealing with numbers. And let me add same way str roll number dot to number to convert into number. And the condition now is greater than or equals to 60. If whatever the value you have greater than 60, that you have to show it as in the message box. Let me drag and drop inside else if condition. Then here maybe we can add it as student section assignment bot, and the value is, let me take it from the message box itself, just copy from old message box and you can paste it here. And we have to change only, instead of A, it's a B, right? So now we have completed all the conditions, right? The first we have taken a step. Inside the step we have dragged and dropped a prompt, right? In the prompt we are asking a roll number, and the roll number will store in a string variable. Then we are deciding in a number condition, is the roll number is below 60 or above 60. Then we are assigning a value in a message box, which section that roll number is belongs to. Let me collapse this step, and if you see now our bot is very neat, right? So let me run this bot and we will see what exactly output we will get using a flowchart automation anywhere techniques. So if you have any question, please comment on the video. Now we are getting a message pop-up from the bot. Please enter your roll number. First we will try 70. Click OK and you are getting a output as roll number 70 and section is B. The same way we will try with some boundary condition. Maybe we can try now 59, right? 59, it is in the boundary condition. So let me try with 59 and click OK. So now you will get a message box, roll number 59 and section is A. Please try this particular example using flowchart, record your run and post it in a LinkedIn, tag me. I will also comment and you will also get so many community members appreciation. Happy learning, go be great.